In 1932, Australia declared war, not on another country, but on emus. After World War I, Australian soldiers returned home to farm wheat in Western Australia. But when drought struck and wheat prices crashed, a new enemy arrived. 20,000 emus, giant flightless birds, migrating from the outback. They tore through fences and devoured crops. Farmers begged the government for help. So in November 1932, the military sent Major G.P.W. Meredith of the Royal Australian Artillery, armed with 2 Lewis machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition. What followed became known as the Great Emu War. But the enemy didn't behave like soldiers. The emus ran in small groups, darting across fields faster than jeeps, scattering before the guns could be aimed. In the first week, soldiers fired thousands of rounds and killed fewer than 100 birds. One report joked that the emus had developed a guerrilla strategy. By December, the campaign was called off. The army had been outsmarted by birds. The emus won their war, and the government quietly handed the problem back to the farmers. Major Meredith admitted, if we had a military division with the bullet-carrying capacity of these birds, we could face any army in the world. In the end, Australia learned an unforgettable lesson. Never underestimate nature, especially when it runs on 2 legs.